Here we are. It's another adventure in packing up stuff that's sold on the internet. So we got this, I guess it's a knife spreader kind of a deal. It says a Russell, USA, Russell Don't Tread on Me, high carbon stainless. I've had this for a while. I actually had it listed and it sold. And when I went to look for it, I couldn't find it. It wasn't where it was supposed to be. And then when I redid the basement here earlier this year, here it had fallen out of the tote that it was in and had slid in behind it and was stuck in between this part had stuck down in the thing, and it stuck back there so it didn't fall when I pulled the tote out. So then I got it relisted here, I don't know, a couple months back, I think, a few months back. And it's sold. Sucker's sharp though. Holy cats, I didn't realize how sharp that was. And then we got a Tim Hortons mug. And where'd that sell? I'm thinking that was maybe eBay. This is the only thing that's sold on Etsy, this little Conehead. And we got this sold on Mercari, I believe. I just listed it the other day, a little patch. And then the Baptist hymnal. Was that Mercari too, or was that? No, I think that was eBay. That sold on eBay. Had a video game that's, I mean, not a video, a VHS tape that sold too, but really cheap, really super cheap. But the guy hasn't paid for it yet, which is about, kind of typical sometimes. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let's see. We'll start with a patch. I'm just gonna stick it in an envelope. All done. That's easy enough. That was like 10 bucks, I think. I think it was 10 bucks on that. And then we have the Conehead. I should probably, I can't just, I should get a little piece of bubble wrap, which I did not. I was going to put a new roll out yesterday on this thing, and I didn't, so that's the way it goes. I'll do that later. So we're just going to wrap her up. Are you all old enough to remember the Coneheads? I remember the Coneheads. Yeah, it was John Belushi. No, not John Belushi. It was Dan Aykroyd and Jane Curtin and I think Lorraine Newman. No, that doesn't count. I don't want that in an envelope. Not putting that in an envelope, you crackhead. There she goes. I'm going to remember what that is. That won't be a problem. The Baptist hymn book. That's going to go in an envelope. And this one, I got 11 bucks. I think I took $11 on that. It was my daughter's. Sat on the piano, and I was just going through stuff the other day to see what, well, about a month ago, see what she still wanted. Most of the stuff on the piano she wanted, but there was a couple things she didn't, and she didn't want the Baptist hymn book, so I sold it. Wish I could sell the piano. It's big old. It's an old one. It's a beauty. I mean, it, for what it is. Oh, that's nice. I mean, when it's tuned, it sounds beautiful. It hasn't been played quite a while now, and obviously she's not going to take it to. We did put new. We had the keys redone, so the keys are really nice. But she obviously doesn't want to take it to Maine with her. It's a bear. It's super heavy. You can't really get rid of them anymore. You can't. They're like, people are like charging you to take them away from you. They'll take them for you. You got to pay them to haul them off, and then they go burn them. I think Jean said she's gonna basically take it apart and repurpose it. I think that's what she said she'd like to try doing with it. I mean, that's the whole thing with them. I mean, why burn it? I mean, ours is made out of like real wood, and nice wood. Somebody could take that wood, and maybe my wife will take the wood from it and I mean, make something really nice with it. So, how much does this weigh? Yeah, that's gonna be. Yeah, I don't know where it's going though, so I'm gonna. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna put it in a. Let's put it in a priority box. I reserve the right if I find that parcel post is cheaper, parcel select is cheaper. This sold, well, I think it sold on like Mercari or something like that. I reserve the right to ship it that way instead, so I'll change out the box later. I just don't have. I gotta figure out a way to have that available to me. I should I don't want to print stuff off. I hate printing stuff off. I hate it. I hate having paper around that I'm just a waste. I don't have an iPad. I'm using my phone for the recording. Alrighty, well, there we go, at least for now. And then this is going to be the thing. This is the trickster right here. How am I going to do that? I need a box. I know I don't have a box long enough for that without it being taken just obscenely too much it'd just be too big. So we're gonna put that there. Yeah. Just gonna make sure we got that done. Fold that over. I don't think I need that whole thing. Do whatever I want. Do. I just flip that end piece over and then taped it over. All right, so we got that. Okay, and I know I don't have a box. Let me just double check real quick. No, not even close. That's not gonna work at all. That's not gonna work. All right, none of those boxes are gonna work. So let's take this big one here. For now, deal with that later. Sleep all day. All right, so how are we gonna do this? Think. Since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. Well, let's try to make this so it's at least kind of squarey looking. There we go. And we're going to take a little piece of tape here, put it on that end. A little piece here on that end. Take that out. Like that. So we folded that over. Just stick this on here for now, just to kind of hold that in place. And put some paper down in there to just so it doesn't bounce around in the box. I don't want that. I mean, it's not going to hurt the blade any, but I don't want that wooden handle bouncing. It probably, I'm sure it wouldn't hurt anything, but it might not look the best. So. Okay, well, got that. These back up there. Yeah, I don't need that ruler, so put that back. Okay, so we got that. Now I need to fix the ends here. I know you can't really see what I'm doing here, but I can't really do it any other way. You know, just put a piece of tape over the end. Fold it over just to help kind of seal it up, keep it together there. You know what I'm doing. So anyway, I hope you all are having better sales than me. I was up 3 in the morning actually creating business policies in eBay. I haven't had any business policies in a long time. But I did some business policies for shipping stuff, so now I'm going back through and changing things. You wouldn't believe how many things I found so far. Well, I found 5 things so far that I don't have anymore that were sold, that were they're still in my active listings on eBay. So I'm going to be going through everything to try to make sure they're not there. So I don't know what the problem is, but yeah, that wasn't good. So all right, so that's it for today. That's it for my shipping video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Keep listening. Bye bye.